Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to create hyperlinks in HTML. I use the same template what I used in the case of creating which I used in the case of using ordered list. So now the only thing that I changed is that I changed the background color so that you will be familiar with changing the background color. Now I change the background color to light blue, and I will change the color here to red and crimson or something like this. I will explain you when I show you the code. The purpose of this program is to create hyperlink. Maybe in every web page you will see something like this. This is called hyperlink. When you touch it over, it becomes like a hand. That means when you click on this one, it will link to some other web page, or it will link to some other new web site. So that's what is actually called hyperlink. It always looks blue in color. When you click on it, it will turn into red, or the color will change. So these are 4 hyperlinks. I am giving a link to Dhofar University website. I am giving a link to Dhofar Municipality website. I am giving a link to Ministry of Health, Oman, and to the Royal Oman Police link. I am actually creating 4 hyperlinks. So whenever you see this type of things, when the arrow is like this, it becomes like this, it is called hyperlink. There is a link. When you click on this one, it will link to some other new page, or it will lead to some other new site, and that is called hyperlink. So now we are going to see how to create hyperlink in HTML so that you can use this hyperlink facility in your web design whenever you want. So let us just have a look on this one first. Now let me explain the code. The code is pretty simple. Now you can see here, this is the code which I will show you now. Don't get worried by looking at this code, because if you know one line, it means everything is clear. See, the code starts with HTML and it finishes with HTML. Body is open and the body is closed. So whatever you are going to put in between is going to come in the content as the content of the web page. So I am changing the style, and in the style I am changing the background color. The background color is what? Light blue. I am actually giving a light blue color. If you want, you can change the color even as light yellow, light green, light red, whatever you like you can give. Okay, so any color you give, it will appear as the background. This is for the body. For the body, I am giving a background color light blue. I am using H1. You know what is H1? The font size. I am using a very big font size, and the background color is brown. That means I am going to apply a style which is brown in color, like a rectangle box. Emphasize strong, and I am going to type using, it is emphasize means italic, strong, like same like bold, center, and I am going to use hyperlinks in HTML, center, and this one. Same I am doing here, H2 style, background color I am using it as crimson, center, and making hyperlinks to different sites. Okay, so these are the things that you have to know. Now the most important thing is that, see, from here to here I am just writing a text, Dhofar University link. This is the line that you should know. This is the line that is, this is the code for making any hyperlink. You can see here. A is actually the element used for hyperlink. Href, it refers to, and you type the website address www.du.edu.om and you close it. Then what you want to show on the hyperlink name is Dhofar University. Dhofar University, and then you opened A, you have to close A here. Why I give BR? I give BR because I want to make sure that the next line, the information which is in the next line of the code should go to the new line. So that's why I am using what? BR. See, in the test 1, you will be asked questions based on these elements, like what is H1, H2, like for example EM, strong, center, paragraph, body, HTML. You see href, A, and all this type of things, UL, OL. I am going to use all these things in the quiz. So if you are using this program and you are clear, you will not have any issues in answering the questions and getting the highest marks in the course. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. Your assignment 1 will be soon released today, and you will give me your assignment by the date which is specified in the schedule which I give you before. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video. Practice this program to make sure you understand it very clearly. Thank you.